In this video, we are going to talk about a problem that many of us face with Microsoft Word, and that is when it takes a lot of time to load. So how can we just decrease this loading time for Microsoft Word? It is what we are going to see in this video. So what we are going to do is go to this file. In the file there is this options tab. Let's just click on that. In the options tab we have these different options. Let's just go to advanced. In this advanced we need to go to this display option, and here we have this option of show this number of recent documents. Let us just reduce it to 10. Then what we need to do is go to this trust center. Click on this trust center settings. Make sure you are in macro settings. For this macro settings, click on disable all macros without notification. Then we need to go to this protected view. Make sure both of all the three options are checked. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now this would ensure that less memory is occupied by Microsoft Word during its boot up process, and that is why its loading time would be faster. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.